Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset a garbage disposal in seconds so it works properly again. First, turn off the power to your garbage disposal. Either unplug it under the sink or switch off the circuit breaker for safety. Next, locate the red reset button at the bottom or back of the disposal unit. This button is usually recessed and easy to spot. Press the red reset button firmly. You may hear a click, indicating that the disposal has been reset. If your disposal has a manual crank hole, use an Allen wrench to turn the flywheel back and forth. This can free any jammed blades and help the reset take effect. After resetting, restore power by plugging it back in or turning on the circuit breaker. Test the disposal by running water and switching it on to make sure it works properly. If the garbage disposal still doesn't run, check for clogs or obstructions in the drain and repeat the reset process if needed. By following these steps, you can reset your garbage disposal quickly and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.